In this exercise, we'll find an equation of a line. We're given a slope, the slope of the line, m equals -4, and a point on the line, the point 1, -2. There are two approaches we can use to find this equation, and we'll do both approaches, and that'll be a good check to see if we've get the same answer doing both approaches. In the first approach, we'll use the point-slope equation, where we can substitute the slope and the point directly into the equation. The point-slope equation is the equation y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Y sub 1 is the y-coordinate of the point given. That would be -2. M is the slope, and x sub 1 is the x-coordinate of the point given. The y and the x will remain in the equation as the variables. So I substitute, carrying the y down, minus y sub 1 is -2. So I write -2, and I use parentheses so I don't have like minus a minus here, equals m is -4 times the x stays here, minus x sub 1 is the x-coordinate, which is 1, the x-coordinate of the given point. Now this is an equation of the line. Typically we write this in y-intercept form. So let's solve for y. We have y plus, or slope-intercept form. We have y plus 2 equals -4x plus 4. Subtracting 2 on both sides, we have y equals -4x plus 2. And this is an equation of the line, and we found it using the point-slope equation. Now let's do it again using the slope-intercept equation, y equals mx plus b. This takes a few more steps, but it's valuable, especially if you can't remember the point-slope equation. We're given the slope is -4, and the point is 1, -2. We begin, when we use this, by substituting the slope for m and then solving for b. So we substitute -4 for m, and then since the point 1, -2 is on the line, in particular for this case, it'll be true that when y is -2 and x is 1, this equation should hold true. So in this case, I substituted m, -4 for m, 1 for x, -2 for y, and I'm left with just b. So this gives me -2 equals -4 plus b. Adding 4 to both sides, I have that 2 equals b. Now I know the slope and I know the y-intercept. So I can substitute back in this form y equals -4x plus 2. And if we look back, that is the form that we got using the other method. So in either case, we found that the equation of the line is y equals -4x plus 2.